In today's video, I'm gonna be upcycling all jeans into a quilted vest. Hello everyone! Of course, with the first upcycling video of this year, I have to start with old denim. I feel like this winter quilted vests are everywhere. So I thought about it, and I came up to conclusion that it would be a good layering piece and timeless addition to my wardrobe.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
All denim pieces are connected, and now I had this idea how to reuse some of my scraps as the filling for the vest. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them into pieces and sandwich them in between the denim and iron-on fusing. Let's test this theory! It's a new day, it's a new week, and I'm gonna start by fixing last week's Michelle's mistake, because for some reason I didn't make quite enough research on the quilting techniques. So as I started top stitching my panels, it started pushing and bunching the denim. So I gave up and then did some research, found the basis of my mistakes. Also, I bought special denim needles for my sewing machine because I think that was one of the problems. And I made myself a lovely checklist for today. Hopefully I will be finishing it in one day. We'll see about that. So, my plan. I have to unpick partially the top stitching when it's pushing the denim. Then I have to adjust the fusing because it's obviously too short, and also maybe take a look on my filling. It's moving a lot inside, and here is one spot when I found like a really big, like a pocket of it, and it's too thick and my machine struggles with that. Next thing, I have to properly pin everything in place what I found during my research on YouTube. It would be best like every 5 centimeters to pin it with safety pin or regular pin. I will see what will work for me, and then I can top stitch it again. Hopefully all of these will help me to work through that, and then I can continue as I originally planned. Also, some of the quilting videos suggested to get a walking foot for my machine, but I would like to avoid it because I'm not sure if I have future use for it, so I will just adjust the pressure of my regular foot. We'll see how that works, and I think I'm ready to start. I may be the last one here on YouTube who made a quilted vest, but I'm glad I did. I have to admit that making my own insulation layer out of fabric scraps made the whole process so much more time consuming. Was it worth it? I'm not sure yet. To be honest, I was able to only reuse a small fragment from my fabric scraps, and the inconsistency between those different materials made it difficult to quilt and top stitch it in the end. Was it fun? Absolutely. I am so happy that I tried the technique and was able to make this idea into a reality. Also, I was able to fix all the problem that I made for myself without buying the walking foot in the end, so that made me really happy. The biggest difference was actually getting the denim needle and pinning everything as I was quilting the fabric. And making this vest the first project of 2025 feels really special. I love wearing it. My favorite details are the original pockets from the old jeans and also all of my contrast stitching. What do you think? I'm also curious what is yours must-make project for this year. I am excited about a few dresses that I plan to make for myself this spring and summer. Thank you so much for watching this video and also the other videos and subscribing to my channel. I really love watching this community grow. Have a beautiful day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!